Hey friends, have you tried oat milk? It's a nut-free and dairy-free milk alternative that is so delicious it'll be your new favorite drink. The best part about oat milk is it's inexpensive and super easy to make at home. In this short video, I'll share the basic recipe and some flavor variations I love. The ingredients are simple, have rolled oats, water, and salt. A sweetener is optional, use what you like. Transfer the oats into a medium bowl. Add enough warm water to cover the oats completely. This is approximately 4 cups water. Stir gently to moisten the oats. Let rest for 30 minutes. You can also soak the oats overnight, and when doing this, use cold water instead of warm water. Transfer the oats into a strainer and then rinse with cold water. Transfer the drained oats into a blender. Add salt and your choice of sweetener. Here I'm using agave nectar. Add the water. If you're not sure how thick you like your oat milk, start with 3 cups water and you can always add more water later. Blend everything on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes or until the oats are completely broken down. Place a nut milk bag inside a medium bowl. Pour the liquid into the bag. Cinch the top closed. Squeeze the bag to extract the milk. Just keep pressing gently on the bag until all the milk is extracted. If you don't have a nut milk bag, use a fine mesh strainer. Stir the milk to work it through the strainer. Another option is to use cheesecloth. Use a large enough section so that you can gather up the ends and milk the pouch. Work with small amounts of the oat milk to avoid making a mess. This is an optional step. Skim off any foam and discard. What's left over is this oatmeal paste. Make it into oatmeal, use it in cookies or breads, or add it to a meatloaf instead of using breadcrumbs. Here's what the oat milk looks like with 3 cups water. It's smooth, creamy, with a medium thickness. Add more water at this time if you'd like a thinner milk. This homemade oat milk is light and delicious. For those who can't have dairy, oat milk is a wonderful alternative. If not enjoying right away, transfer the oat milk into a jar. Seal and store in the refrigerator. Enjoy the oat milk within 5 days. One of my favorite recipe variations is strawberry oat milk. Add 2 to 3 strawberries cut into small pieces. Use fresh or frozen. And add some honey for sweetness. The rest of the steps are the same. This oat milk has a yummy strawberry flavor and a pretty pink color. Another recipe twist is to infuse the milk with pandan leaf essence. Cut washed pandan leaves into small pieces. Use fresh or frozen leaves. Add everything into the blender. Blend on high speed until the pandan leaves are completely broken down and incorporated. Again, strain the liquid through a nut milk bag. So green milk is definitely not the norm, but this oat milk is fragrant and delicious, and I hope you give my recipe a try. One more thing, the milk tends to separate, so give the bottle a good shake before serving. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.